This butternut squash and white bean soup is so delicious. It's just $1.59 per serving. There's only 3 ingredients that it requires, and there's absolutely no chopping involved. This soup is packed with vegetables, is great for the daily dozen, and doesn't have any added fat. You can make this soup in just about 20 minutes on the stovetop, or you can also cook it for 4 minutes in the Instant Pot. All you do to make this delicious and hearty vegetable soup is saute all of these vegetables for about 5 minutes, then cover with about 4 cups of water and cook in either the Instant Pot or on the stovetop. This Trader Joe's Mirepoix is so great. All of these vegetables are already chopped for you, so all you have to do is simply empty the container into the stock pot and start sauteing. I really like this Trader Joe's holiday vegetable hash. It's packed with butternut squash, sweet potato, red onion, celery, parsley, sage, and rosemary. And since it has all of those flavorings already added, you don't even have to add seasonings to this soup. When I enjoyed this soup, I simply just put black pepper and salt on top, and that's it. But you can also make this soup completely salt-free, and you don't have to use any oil to saute these vegetables. The beans in this recipe add protein and a lot of extra fiber to this recipe. After this soup is finished cooking, I like to puree it until it's a nice, creamy, velvety texture. If the soup has a little bit too much water after cooking, you can also simmer it on high heat for about 5 minutes to evaporate any excess liquid. After that, you're ready to serve. This soup makes 6 servings of hearty vegetable and bean butternut squash soup. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.